Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. Now, no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can choose whatever you would like to win. So the battle pass is included in that, so that's fully giftable. Just make sure it's something giftable from the item shop that you're signing up for, and watch the entire video for the 3 steps to follow for a chance to win. Let's just get started with the gifting. And what today DPG has chosen from the item shop was, let's take a look at it. Right here, it's the first thing, this awesome bundle. We're gonna give to friends, we're gonna select them, and we're gonna gift it away. You do need to be friends for 48 hours, which means 2 days, not 3. And the only person who needs 2FA is me. How can I make sure that he got the gift? Well, if I click on his name, it says that he owns this, so I cannot gift him again the same thing, because now he has it. If he didn't get it right away, all he has to do is change his banner, and there we go. If that doesn't work for some strange reason, we can just go into a game, get out of the game, and that should refresh Fortnite for him in order to see his gift. But I'm sure DPG knows this because he has won before. So let's just go back to lobby, and we should see him wearing something from his bundle. And there we go. Let's go. Alright, so you got that from your bundle and the other skin as well, right, DPG? So can you just show off your other skin that you got from the bundle? Awesome, looks good. Alright guys, so if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote backlink. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.